road trip. We're off the NEC in Birmingham. We're off to Birmingham. That was my Birmingham accent, by the way, which sounds like every single accent that I do. But yeah, roll trailers. So here we are at the NEC. You park in a different county and then you've got to trek for about a week. I think there might be rations or a base camp on the way. But we'll get there in a couple of days. Literally, it's like parking in a different county. I think it's a different time zone by the time we're going to get there. Yeah, so it's a 10-minute walk. 10-minute by Concord. So here we are at the NEC Camping, Caravan and Motorhome show. As you can see, this is just the motorhomes and it is absolutely massive. So let's go and look at some motorhomes, shall we? Look how dinky that is. It's tiny. It's a tiny little thing. You're going to pick it up and put it in your pocket when you're finished with it. Let's go and have a look, eh? So this is the Rookie 3.5 from Wig-Am. 21,618 on the road. I guess that's the price. The bathroom in this tiny Caravan is bigger than the one in Millie. It is huge. Even got a separate shower. None of this mixer tap rubbish. They crammed a lot in that. Even a microwave. And the bathroom is bigger in this tiny little Caravan than there is in Millie. So it goes to show, good design, you can fit a lot in a very small space. So that's kind of like a baby Caravan. But it's still 2-berth. It's got a shower toilet, got a cooker, even got a microwave, fridge, everything you really need. And look at the size of it. So these are like vibrating platforms that gives you the same experience of driving an old motorhome, but you can have the same experience in your front room. So instead of driving Millie a couple of miles, being shaken to death and your teeth rattling, buy one of these plates, put them in the front room, and you can have the same experience. So the amount that Millie leaks, I was thinking of getting a boat, because most of the time it's wet inside of her anyway. Maybe a dinghy. So look, Jess, we need to get a glass for every different type of alcohol that we drink. in the motorhome. It will fill the motorhome up, but so when we're having Prosecco, we need Prosecco glasses, white wine glasses, we've got beer glasses, cocktail mixer glasses here. Even when we're drinking water, you have to have a proper water glass for drinking water. It's a lot of glasses, and they're not there. They're kind of plastic. Now we all know drinking and the outdoors goes together. You could actually get quite hammered on all the freebies that they're handing out here. Refreshment, I thought I'd stop off. Free alcohol. I'm staying here all day. You know your garage is big when it comes with its own slide switch and 3-pin plugs as well. That's a big garage. This is a queue of very rich people who can afford to buy a £300,000 motorhome, or they just want an ebb to see what a £300,000 motorhome looks like. I'm not waiting. And there you go, end of the day at the NEC Camping Caravan Motorhome Day. My feet are killing me. I've walked miles. I bought a whistling kettle for Millie and a bottle of gin for Jess. Other than that, I had a good time, caught up with some fellow YouTubers, and probably done about 20,000 steps. So I think I've earned my Cornish pasty.